Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. In this video we are back in our arithmetic revision series where we are breaking down the 2017 arithmetic SATs paper question by question, showing you exactly how to answer each of these questions, making sure that you give yourself the best possible chance in May. And as I've said, if you're not doing your SATs, maybe you just learn a little bit of something new. Thanks for joining me either way. Okay, question number 11, we're back with a column subtraction. 4,912 take away 824. Now, I'm not suggesting you start it in exactly this way, but we've got a 4-digit number here, so we know it's a whole number as well, there's no decimals. We know that we're going to be dealing with thousands. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll put our place value columns in here. As I say, I probably wouldn't do this if I was just answering these questions myself, and many of the children in my class don't, and many of the children I've taught don't do it this way. However, I'm just doing this for the purposes of the video, just to show how the column method works. So we've got 4,912, so that's 4,000s, 900s, 110, 2 units. 4,912. Take away 824. Now, as I've shown in a previous video, a way I like to do this to make sure we line it up properly is to write this second number in from right to left. So 824 is 4 units, 2 10s and 800s, and this just guarantees that everything is lined up beautifully to make sure that we don't make any mistakes with our calculation. Okay, now then, there is, on this very first number here, you'll see exactly where people struggle with this kind of calculation. They're not overly complex, you just need to take your time and make sure you follow the steps. So the first thing here, we've got 2 units take away 4 units, and you'll commonly hear people say, oh well, you can't do it. Well, in fact you can do 2 minus 4, because 2 minus 4 will give you minus 2, and you know, you'll have seen that countless times during your time at maths at primary school, and you'll doubtless see it beyond. However, for the purposes of a column subtraction, we don't work with negative numbers. So what we do is we rewrite the number in another way. So 2 take away 4. We're not going to do that. What we're going to do is we're going to rewrite this number here. So we're going to take a 10 from here and put it into the units column. So we've got 12 in the units column now, and we've got 12. Oh, and obviously once we take this 10 away, we must write 0 because we have no 10s left in there. 12 take away 4 gives us 8. Okay, so we have now got 0 take away 2, which again we're not going to do that because obviously that would give us minus 2, but we're not going to mess about with that. So what we'll do is we'll take 100 from here and we'll put it here. So now we've got 10 10s take away 2 10s, which is 8 10s. In this column we're okay, we've got 800s take away 800s is 0, and 4 take away nothing here is 4. Okay, so our answer is 4,088. Now, like in the previous video, and I showed you about using the inverse to check, what we can actually do is if we add these bottom two numbers up, it'll actually give us the top number. So let's just really quickly go through that and just double check that we have in fact got the number that we started out with if we do this. So 8 add 4 is 12, 8 add 2 is 10, add the 1 is 11, 8 add 1 is 9, and 4. And this here is exactly the same as this number that we started out with. So we know that our answer of 4,088 is correct. Again, I know I really breezed over the column addition there when going through checking the inverse, but the previous videos in this series and the addition series that I've got on my channel will really talk you through this in greater detail. So if you are looking for help in that area, just check those out. That's it for this video. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. You know, share this with your friends, family, whoever. Just help people out with this because that's all I'm trying to do. Okay, thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye bye.